Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword in real estate. It's the first impression your property makes on visitors, potential buyers, and even passers-by. For Auburn Hills homeowners, one of the most impactful ways to elevate curb appeal is by replacing outdated or worn doors with modern, stylish, and functional alternatives. A well-chosen door not only beautifies the exterior of your home but also contributes to its overall value and energy efficiency. Here's how door replacement can transform your Auburn Hills property and make it stand out. Aesthetic enhancement. Making a lasting first impression. The front door is the focal point of your home's facade. It's often the first thing people notice when approaching your property. A replacement door with a fresh, contemporary design can instantly modernize the look of your home. Auburn Hills properties, with their diverse architectural styles, benefit immensely from a door that complements the overall design. For example, classic homes. A wood door with intricate carvings and rich finishes adds a touch of timeless elegance. Modern designs. Sleek, minimalistic steel or fiberglass doors with clean lines and bold colors exude sophistication. Cottage-style homes. A colorful door paired with glass paneling can create a welcoming, cozy vibe. By selecting a style, material, and color that align with your home's architecture, you can dramatically improve its curb appeal. Boosting property value. A door replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make, offering a high return on investment. According to real estate experts, properties with visually appealing and well-maintained entryways sell faster and often at higher prices. Potential buyers in Auburn Hills prioritize homes that project care and attention to detail, starting with the entrance. A high-quality door also signals that the rest of the property is equally well-maintained. This reassurance can make a significant difference in competitive housing markets like Auburn Hills. Energy efficiency and comfort. Beyond aesthetics, door replacement can enhance your home's energy efficiency. Older doors are often poorly insulated, leading to drafts and higher energy bills. Newer models, especially those made from fiberglass or steel with advanced weather stripping, offer superior insulation and can reduce heating and cooling costs. In Auburn Hills, where winters can be cold and summers warm, energy-efficient doors help maintain indoor comfort while lowering energy expenses. Many modern doors are ENERGY STAR certified, combining functionality with sustainability, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Increased security and peace of mind. A sturdy, well-constructed door doesn't just look good, it protects your home. Modern doors come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced materials to deter potential break-ins. For Auburn Hills homeowners, where safety and community well-being are paramount, investing in a secure door can provide peace of mind. Steel and fiberglass doors, in particular, are known for their durability and resistance to impact. Adding smart locks or video doorbells can further enhance security while adding a touch of modern convenience. Personalization and customization. Today's door replacement options are highly customizable, allowing Auburn Hills homeowners to add a personal touch to their property. From decorative glass inserts to unique hardware and finishes, the possibilities are endless. Some popular customization options include glass panes. Add elegance and allow natural light into your entryway. Bold colors. Make a statement with hues like deep red, navy blue, or sunny yellow. Hardware accents. Choose stylish handles, knockers, or hinges to enhance the door's character. Customization ensures that your door not only boosts curb appeal but also reflects your personality and style. Enhancing other exterior features. Replacing your door often inspires other complementary updates to your home's exterior. A new door pairs beautifully with upgraded lighting, fresh landscaping, or a repainted facade. For Auburn Hills properties, where homeowners often take pride in their surroundings, these updates work together to create a cohesive and attractive look. Conclusion. The door to a better home. Replacing your door is more than a home improvement project. It's an investment in your property's future. From elevating curb appeal and boosting property value to improving energy efficiency and security, a new door can transform the way your home is perceived and experienced. For Auburn Hills homeowners, this simple yet impactful upgrade ensures your property remains both beautiful and functional for years to come. Ready to take your curb appeal to the next level? Explore door replacement options today and watch your Auburn Hills property shine.